was built to last. With the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past. With all I'm achieving, got my foot on the gas. Never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy. Think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me. I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic. Go!
To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic. Got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want it, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily spreading like a rare disease. But I won't let it get to me. I don't need your therapy. I can leave a legacy of leading by intensity. Come on, we can fight this. Freedom is priceless. Spread just like a virus. Living in a crisis. Do you feel courageous? Do you seek greatness? Trust me, you can take it. Go on and take your aim.
To last with the webs I'm weaving, I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break the glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the gas, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah.
One to eh. Oo. Yun ang ano, pati sa taas kami ganun.
Ayun na nga guys, nakarating na tayo dito sa Busan yung container terminal. Ito yung ating tropa pips na excited nang sumampa ng barko sa hinabahaba ng panahon sa hotel. Nakarating din. At ayan, ating napansin itong kanilang street lights powered by wind turbine din na maliit. Sana all tipid sa kuryente. Wow! Busan yung container terminal. Ito yung ating tropa pips, ang tropang quarantine. Ninabot tayo ng 1.5 oras simula sa Heaven Hotel papunta dito. Yo, what's up, Mayor? Yeah, tamsak. Oh yeah.
One eternity later.
And ayun na nga, natapos na tayong kuhanan ng picture, i-inspect yung ating mga gamit, at nakapasok na tayo sa Busan yung container terminal. Proceed na tayo papunta sa ating barko.
Ito yung ano, yung mga team quarantine. Alright.
Mr. Driver.
Yeah. Yeah. Here, our driver, very good. Yeah. Samida. Opa.
Love you, Opa.
Opa. Yeah. So,
이 올드맨 할아버지.
yeah. Guys, barko namin. So, dito muna tayo.
Pero mga kaibigan,
Mga kaibigan,
laki ng puno. Laki ng emisi niya.
Ilan ang linya? Porto?
Emisi Oliver.
1, 2, Porto pa rin. Kagalag yan. Porto pa rin.
oh, ito yun. Another one. Wow. Luggage. Alin yun?
Masa yung bypass niya? Ito, bypass ito. Iwan mo ito.
I wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name. Check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assist and I change. Possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout, and fame, a disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak.
So, ayun nga guys, bali nakadalawang hotel tayo sa Maynila, nakailang cancel din, kaya medyo natagalan tayo. Nag-undergone tayo doon ng 5 swab test lahat-lahat bago tayo nakapag-flight sa South Korea. Pagdating ng South Korea, nag-isolate tayo sa isang hotel ng 7 days, 2 swab test clear, bago tayo i-transfer sa susunod na hotel naman para maghintay sa schedule ng boarding dito sa ating vessel of assignment. Maraming salamat nga pala guys sa walang sawang panunood sa ating mga videos. Wow!